simple understanding about the parasites, the way it exists, manifests, triggers in your muscle memory, biomemory, bioenergy will liberate you from all addictions in all levels and make you manifest powers and enlightenment. Listen to the important truth. In all three levels, your muscle memory level, biomemory level, bioenergy level, in all these three levels, there are parasites in you. Parasite means which does not have its own independent life, but it gets empowered, comes alive by the nearness or the existence sitting on you willingly or unwillingly. Whether you like it or not, it catches, it sits in you and gets empowered. That's what I call parasites. We can give multiple examples for parasites. All of you know medically the parasites sitting in the stomach and the skin, scalp. Your muscle memories have parasites. The parasites sitting in your muscle memory is responsible for all your addictions and tiredness. Understand? These parasites can just trigger you. It can trigger the muscle memory of certain food or certain drug, alcohol, smoking, marijuana. It can trigger any of those memories and force you to consume them again. Whether it is addictions related to eating, drugs, sex, pornography, or any type of addictions, are because of the parasites sitting in your muscle memory. I tell you, simplest, easiest, most beautiful way of cleansing the parasites from your muscle memory is Haritaki. Don't underestimate the power of Haritaki and Triphala. Sukku Melaga Tippili, Haritaki, Ashwagandha. These are all not just stomach cleansing. It cleanses the parasites sitting inside your muscle memory, triggering you to get addicted to certain food or behavior or certain habits. I tell you, do not equate Haritaki for laxatives. People tell me, oh, Swamiji is telling me to take Haritaki to cleanse my stomach and relieve me from this indigestion problems or constipation problems. So I can just take any laxative. No. No laxative can flush out your muscle memory from all the parasites sitting in the muscle memory. I can give you 100 examples. If you take ordinary laxatives, the chemical-based pharmaceutical company laxatives, you may have constipation cleared. You may have your stomach cleansed. But if you take Haritaki, not only your constipation will be cleansed, you will be healed, all the parasites sitting inside you and triggering the addiction memories, you being forcibly made to drink alcohol, made to smoke marijuana, made to eat non-vegetarian food, all those parasites which are sitting inside you and driving you, triggering you, forcing you to abuse yourself, destroy yourself, those parasites leave your system. You get detoxed from those parasites. That is why I am telling you, anyone who takes Haritaki, Tripala every day, Haritaki and Tripala every day, without even you putting any special effort, sometimes without even you remembering, you forget multiple addictions you had. Tiredness is an addiction. It will just disappear if you start using Haritaki powder. Please listen. Multi-level sufferings caused in your life due to addictions will disappear. Due to the unconscious lifestyle, you collect many addictive patterns and empower them with your parasites. And those parasites nicely getting empowered, sitting inside you, literally not just rule your life, ruin your life. Haritaki is the most beautiful way to get rid of multiple parasites sitting in your muscle memory. I can give you lots of examples. If you are married, you know backseat driving. How your spouse sits in the back seat and drives you. Same way, the parasites sit inside your stomach and drives you. It drives you crazy. I don't need to tell that. You know it. Almost all physical disorders and diseases are due to the parasites sitting inside your muscle memory. Detoxing your muscle memory literally transforms your life to royal life. If you want to become king, all you need is take Haritaki and Tripala every day. Because you will not be addicted to any self-destructive behaviors. See, I am telling you not to drink alcohol, not to eat non-veg. Not because somebody who is running an alcohol company, alcohol production company, has attacked me, or somebody, the meat sellers, have attacked me. No, there is no personal vengeance, or there is no personal anger. alcohol and non-veg are self-destructive lifestyle and habits. That's all. I am just extremely life positive, pro-life, and I want you to get enlightened. That's it. I am extremely life positive, pro-life. I just want you to get enlightened. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. Simple, sheer, straightforward truth. So listen. Detoxing your muscle memories. There are multiple methods to detox muscle memories. Everyday intense yoga. Everyday intense yoga can completely detox you. Detox your muscle memories. Maybe in further satsangs, I will give you many methodologies. But the most powerful methodology is just realizing it is the parasites, somebody else, eating your life and destroying your life, ruining your life, ruling your life from inside you is ruining you. These parasites rule you from inside you and ruin you. Even if you realize it, you will get rid of many of these parasites. Just picking up a memory about the smoking and immediately smoking is not cute. Just having a memory about non-veg food and immediately picking up the phone and ordering and getting it and eating is not cute. That is not royal. You eat the shit of the animal is royal. Come on. Be logical. What is royal? Living the life positive, empowered life is royal. Not that your parasites will sit inside you and rule you and ruin you and make you believe that you are living a royal life. Do not feel cute about parasites triggering your muscle memory and you acting as the parasites are pushing you. No.